Hi students, welcome back. Hope all of you are watching your videos and studying well. Am I right? Yes, very good. Students, in the previous class we have discussed about the climatic conditions, flora and fauna of the hot deserts. Do you remember? Shall we have a recap? The hot deserts are located along the western margins of the continents on the both hemispheres between 20 and 30 latitudes. Do you know the common climatic characteristics of hot deserts? The day temperature is very high, but nights are very cool here. Summers are very hot, but very low temperature is experienced in winters. The amount of rainfall is very less here. Do you know what is oasis? Oases are the places where water is available in hot deserts. Shall we continue our topic? Students, you have learned that permanent settlements are found only around oases in the hot deserts. The Nile River Basin in Africa is an example for regions with permanent settlements in hot deserts. Agriculture and animal rearing are the major human activities in the Nile Basin. Wheat, maize, fruits, vegetables, cotton, etc. are the major agricultural crops here. Do you know which country is known as the gift of Nile? Yes, you are right. Egypt is known as the gift of Nile. The Greek historian Herodotus called Egypt as the gift of Nile. Most of the regions in Egypt are deserts. The only exception is the Nile Basin. In Egypt, the river Nile creates a fertile green valley across the desert. It was by the banks of this river that one of the oldest civilizations in the world began. This river basin provides water and fertile soil which enables agriculture in the country. The Nile River Basin is one among the most densely populated areas in the world. Nile is also described as the lifeblood of Egypt. It is the longest river in Africa. Some regions in hot deserts have become settlements. Do you know what is the reason? Most of the hot deserts are rich in mineral deposits. The mining of these minerals led to the development of these regions. This development attracted people from other parts of the world. All the major cities in the desert regions of the world have evolved in this manner. The cities of Arabian countries are examples. It is the petroleum deposit which has contributed to the development of these cities. Light-colored, loose-fitting garments are commonly worn by the desert dwellers. Turbans, partially covering the face, are another specialty of their dressing. Do you know why these people commonly use such dresses? The reasons are to protect themselves from direct sun exposure and sudden sandstorms. The light-colored clothing reflects sunlight and reduces skin temperature. The layers of loose clothing slow down the evaporation of sweat, keeping the body cool. Do you know which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? Yes, camel. Camels are the common animals of the deserts. Camels are largely relied on for traveling and for carrying loads. That's why the camels are described as the ships of the deserts. The camels survive in the hostile desert conditions because of their capacity to store water within the body and to maintain a moderate body heat. Joint toes help them from sinking in the sand. Double eyelids and long eyelashes protect them from the sandy winds. Okay, students, hope all of you understood about the features of the hot deserts. We will discuss about another climatic region in the next class. Have a nice day. Thank you.